In this video, we will delve deep into the essence of Neville Goddard's philosophy on prayer, unraveling its mysteries and providing actionable steps for readers to harness its transformative potential. Before we start the video, please support my channel. Your valuable support gives me immense motivation to create videos like this. I will provide the link in the description. Understanding Neville Goddard's philosophy. At the core of Neville Goddard's teachings lies the belief that our imagination is the ultimate creative force in the universe. He posited that through the power of our thoughts and feelings, we have the ability to shape our reality and manifest our desires. Prayer, according to Goddard, is not a supplication to an external deity but a deliberate act of impressing our desires upon the subconscious mind. Goddard emphasized the importance of assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled while engaging in prayer. By vividly imagining the desired outcome as if it has already happened and experiencing the corresponding emotions, we align ourselves with the reality we wish to create. Practical steps for effective prayer. Clarify your desires. Before you begin praying, take some time to reflect on your deepest desires. What do you truly want to manifest in your life? Whether it's financial abundance, health, relationships, or personal growth, be clear and specific about your intentions. Create affirmative statements. Formulate affirmative statements that reflect your desires as if they have already been fulfilled. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be financially secure," affirm, "I am financially abundant and prosperous in every area of my life." Visualize your desires. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed and close your eyes. Visualize your desired outcome in vivid detail, using all your senses. Imagine yourself living in the reality you wish to create, feeling the emotions associated with it. Invoke the feeling of gratitude. Express gratitude for the manifestation of your desires as if they have already come to fruition. Feel deep appreciation for the blessings that are on their way to you, reinforcing your belief in their inevitability. Release attachment to the outcome. Trust in the power of your prayers and let go of any attachment to how or when your desires will manifest. Have faith that the universe is working in your favor and that everything is unfolding according to divine timing. Cultivating faith and belief. Central to Neville Goddard's teachings is the concept of faith and belief. He asserted that faith is the key that unlocks the doors to manifestation, and without it, prayers remain ineffective. To cultivate unwavering faith in the power of your prayers, consider the following practices. Affirmations and declarations. Incorporate affirmations and declarations into your daily routine to reinforce your belief in the efficacy of prayer. Repeat empowering statements such as, "I believe in the power of my prayers to manifest my desires." Visualization exercises. Engage in regular visualization exercises to strengthen your faith and conviction. Visualize past instances where your prayers have been answered, or imagine yourself receiving your desired blessings with absolute certainty. Scripting. Write down your desires as if they have already manifested in a journal or notebook. Describe in detail how your life looks and feels now that your prayers have been answered. Revisit these scripts regularly to reinforce your belief in their manifestation. Surround yourself with positivity. Surround yourself with positive influences that uplift and inspire you. Avoid negativity and doubt, and instead, immerse yourself in environments and communities that support your spiritual journey. Overcoming resistance and doubt. Even the most devout practitioners of Neville Goddard's teachings may encounter moments of doubt and resistance on their journey. When faced with skepticism or disbelief, consider the following strategies to overcome these obstacles. Self-reflection. Take time to introspect and identify any underlying beliefs or fears that may be hindering your ability to fully embrace the power of prayer. Affirmations for self-belief. Counteract negative self-talk and doubts with affirmations that affirm your worthiness and deservingness of your desires. Remind yourself daily that you are a powerful creator capable of manifesting miracles. Seek support and guidance. Reach out to mentors, coaches, or spiritual communities for support and guidance during times of doubt. Surround yourself with individuals who can offer encouragement and share their own experiences of overcoming challenges. Practice surrender and detachment. Release the need to control or micromanage the manifestation process. Surrender to the wisdom of the universe and trust that your prayers are being answered in the perfect way and at the perfect time. In conclusion, Neville Goddard's teachings on prayer offer profound insights into the art of manifestation and spiritual empowerment. By understanding the principles of imaginative prayer, clarifying our desires, cultivating faith, and overcoming resistance, we can unlock the unlimited potential within us to create the lives we truly desire. As you embark on your journey of prayer and manifestation inspired by Neville Goddard, remember that the power to transform your reality lies within you. Trust in the wisdom of your imagination, believe in the potency of your prayers, and watch as miracles unfold in your life. The universe is conspiring in your favor, and with each heartfelt prayer, you draw closer to the realization of your deepest desires. Here is a visualization exercise for you. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can relax without distractions. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Begin by setting an intention for your prayer practice. Take a moment to reflect on what you wish to manifest or seek guidance on. It could be a specific desire, a question you seek answers to, or simply a desire to deepen your spiritual connection. Visualize this intention as a glowing beacon of light at the center of your being, radiating outwards with clarity and purpose. Visualize yourself surrounded by a sphere of golden light, symbolizing the divine presence that surrounds and supports you. Feel the warmth and love of this light enveloping you, filling you with a sense of peace and security. Know that you are connected to a higher power that is always guiding and protecting you. Take a moment to express gratitude for the blessings in your life. Visualize a stream of light emanating from your heart, extending outwards and upwards towards the heavens. With each breath, feel this stream of gratitude growing stronger and brighter, illuminating your entire being with its radiant energy. Now, visualize yourself standing in a beautiful garden surrounded by lush vegetation and colorful flowers. In the center of the garden stands a majestic tree, its branches reaching towards the sky. Approach the tree and feel its energy pulsating with life. This tree symbolizes the conduit between you and the divine. Begin to speak your prayers aloud, expressing your desires, hopes, and concerns. Speak from the heart, allowing your words to flow freely and authentically. Feel the energy of your prayers rising up from within you and merging with the energy of the tree. Visualize your intentions as glowing orbs of light, rising up from the branches of the tree and ascending towards the heavens. After presenting your requests, take a moment to surrender them to the wisdom and guidance of the universe. Trust that your prayers have been heard and that everything is unfolding according to divine timing. Release any attachment to the outcome and open yourself up to receiving guidance and support in whatever form it may come. As you bring this visualization to a close, take a moment to express gratitude once again for the opportunity to connect with the divine through prayer. When you are ready, gently open your eyes and return to the present moment, knowing that you are always connected to the divine through the power of prayer. Prayer is a sacred practice that allows us to commune with the divine and align our intentions with the universe. Through this guided visualization exercise, you have deepened your understanding of prayer and experienced its transformative power firsthand. Carry the energy of this experience with you as you continue on your spiritual journey, knowing that you are always supported and guided by the divine.